Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some Himalayan Shilajit resin. So we're gonna check this out. It's by Leotri. So let's open this up here. If we can open up the box. And I'll show you guys what it is and how it works. So it comes with its own little wooden spoon. How cute is that? And just talks about, no, that's not really instructions on there. The instructions are gonna be here, I guess. So I guess it's just for supplement stuff. So it should give you, I mean, it's supposed to, it says it's for energy, for metabolism, for concentration, and it should enhance immunity. We'll see. But it's just some cute stuff and something good to have. And if you're into some of this holistic stuff, it's good for that. So we open it up here and comes with a nice protective seal. So, ooh, and this is what it looks like there. So it's this resin stuff. And I think you're supposed to mix it into things, but I'm just gonna give it a try so you guys can see what it's like. So let's see if I take a little bit. It's gooey. Doesn't really taste like anything. Pretty inert, I guess, but supposed to give you some energy and things, so we'll see how it works. But thumbs up from me, it's really nice.